ChatGPT is taking over the world seriously. It feels like I stumbled across it somehow wherever I go. And if for some reason you don't know what ChatGPT is, it is basically an AI chatbot that can seemingly answer any questions you throw at it. And it can even write recipes for you or give you a workout plan or write a full-blown essay in shorts. It's basically mind-blowing what it can do, but something that really caught my eye with it was how it has the ability to write code. Actually, I created an entire JavaScript game using only code was written by ChatGPT. Today in this video we are going to build a complete Tic Tac Toe JavaScript game with ChatGPT and deploy it in the Netlify so that you can share URL with your friends and family. After building the game, you can exactly see like that. This is the app that we are going to build. You can say this is a completely functional Tic Tac Toe game and it's already deployed in the Netlify. I will give the link in the description so that you can see live. So here you can see this is the completely functional Tic Tac Toe game and it says X is wins. So this is the app that we are going to build right now. So don't waste any more time. Let's get into it. First of all, we have to set up the project directory in our computer. Since the project is using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, for that we have to create 3 files inside the directory. So let's create those first. Okay, as you can see, we already created the 3 files: index.html, index.js and style.css. Let's open the directory in the VS Code. Okay, you can see index.html, index.js and style.css we already imported in the VS Code. Let's generate the basic HTML structure in index.html. So let's run the file using the GoLab extension. So if you don't know what is GoLab extension, it's a completely free VS Code extension to run HTML file. So you can install this from the VS Code extension library. From here you can search the GoLab extension. After installing that, you can see GoLab button in the bottom left corner. By pressing the GoLab button, you can run your HTML file in the browser. See, so it is already running in the browser. Okay, now it's time to explore the ChatGPT. So basically, to access this chatbot page, you have to create an account in ChatGPT. It's completely free. So what you have to do, just go and write ChatGPT and you'll find the ChatGPT official website. Then you have to create an account. After creating an account, you'll redirect the chat.openai.com/chat. This is the page we will use to get the response from ChatGPT. We have to write a command for ChatGPT to generate the Tic Tac Toe game, right? So basically, I'm write a code for okay. So I wrote the command write a code for Tic Tac Toe game in JavaScript. See, it is taking some time to generate the whole code. Okay, just one note: if you got stuck when generating the code, basically ChatGPT has some limitation to generate the code. So basically, if you got the situation your code is stuck, then you have to write just continue. Suppose if I write the continue and press enter, it will start again generating the code. Okay, so as you can see, ChatGPT give us all of the code. Let's copy it from here and so paste it here. We'll make module all of the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. For now, just paste it in the index.html file. So we already copied that, and then just copy this shit, mistake, paste, and then scripts HTML. Okay, so as you can see, it gives us it gives us styles and HTML file. So just cut it all of the script from this file and paste it in the index.js files, Control X and Control B. So just remove the scripts from here, and then copy all of the styles from here, Control X, and paste it in the Control S. Now we have to link these two files in the index.html. So script src, that should be index.js, and link css, that should be styles.css. Let's see. Reload the file. Okay, you can see Tic Tac Toe and its X terms. So what we have to do, we have to add some. Okay, so we made a mistake here, that would be styles. Okay, it is here, and just add two line css in the cell, because ChatGPT mistake the width and height in the cell. So width 100px and height 100px, so that you can see the cell. See, okay, and you can actually change the font from here, so that it will looks good. So you can use font family, and you can use the Korean new space, and you can see right now. Okay, font is changed. You can use the one background color, so it will looks good, sky blue. That should look good. Okay, see, that looks good, right? And Tic Tac Toe is an h1 tag, so you can see. So we can write a css for that. h1 text align center. So see, now it looks good, right? It is exactly look like how we deploy in the Netlify, right, the previous app. So let's see it is working or not. Boom, see, it is working as expected. And as you can see, ChatGPT makes all of the functionality. So yeah, that's it. Now it's time to deploy the app, so that you can share your app. You can play around with the styles, it's up to you. I applied in my way, so you can apply in your way, that's not the matter. So now it's time to deploy the app, right? So we are going to deploy the app in the Netlify. If you go to the Netlify, so here you can see develop and deploy website and apps in a record time. So you have to create an account here by GitHub or Google, Facebook. So this is the dashboard, and if I go to the sites, and here if you scroll down, want to deploy a new site without connecting to a Git, drag and drop your site folder here. So browse or to upload file. So I have to just select the folder, right? The project folder. So in my case, it was in the desktop, YouTube and ChatGPT game. Upload. So click upload. Please don't refresh. Remember, you can't refresh the face while it's uploading. So yeah, see your game is live now. If you click on that link, see, boom, this is the live link. You can share with your friends and family, and your app is boom, it's a tie. So let's refresh again. Boom, X wins. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel if